Hello students, I hope that you all are fine and staying in your house. So in this video I will discuss that how to prepare a topic. Actually when we are in the classroom, I discussed many times that when you are preparing a topic, first you have to make the hints of the topic, and based on these hints and points you have to prepare few sentences, which is called skeleton also. So when I gave a first topic, the topic was the lesson I have learned in my life. So few of you were facing some problems and you were asking me that how will I prepare the topics, sir? So in every topic, whatever the topics are you are preparing or making, first you have to make some points, and based on these points you have to make few sentences. The last topic I gave, that is the COVID-19. So in this short video I will speak that how will prepare the topic COVID-19. So in that topic I provided few points. What were the points? The first point was what is COVID-19. Next was how it spreads. Next was symptoms of COVID-19, and the last one how to protect from it. So these are the 4 points, and when you are speaking about COVID-19 you have to maintain these 4 points. So what is the first point? The first point is that what is COVID-19. So COVID-19 is a coronavirus disease and mainly is an infectious disease. Like the other flus, it is also a flu. So what is the difference? The difference is that it is a fatal. That means maybe there is a possibility of death. So that's why it is a little bit different from other flus, but it is also a flu. So next point is that how it spreads. It is very important that we have to know that how this virus spreads from one place to another place. As I spoken earlier, so it is a contagious disease, a very infectious disease. It spreads from man to man. But the report said that first it came from China and the place was Wuhan. So when they were experimenting something in the lab of Wuhan, somehow the virus was leaked, the report said. And after that, it spreads out all over the world. And also it report said that it spreads from bat to human beings. And now, as it's an infectious disease, it is spreading from man to man. So this is the main ways or main you can say medium of transferring this virus from one place to another place and from one man to another man. Our next point is that symptoms of COVID-19. See, recent reports said that there are two types of patients. One is symptomatic and another is asymptomatic. So 80% patients are asymptomatic and 20% patients are symptomatic. Asymptomatic means they have the virus, they are carrying the virus in their body, but they are not showing their symptoms. So that's why they are called asymptomatic. And symptomatic means they have the virus in their body, they are carrying the virus and they have the symptoms. Now what are the symptoms of this coronavirus disease? Symptoms that you will have high fever, you will have headache, you will be coughing and sneezing, and after that you will develop a respiratory problem, that is a breathing problem, which becomes a fatal, and at that time the patients have to be admitted in the hospitals. So these are the symptoms, but which is a very matter of concern for the asymptomatic patients, that they are carrying the virus but they have no symptoms in their bodies, so which is a very matter of concerns for the government and for the people. So next point is that how to protect from it. That means definitely it's a disease, it's spreading from one place to another place, from one man to another man, but we have to protect. So how will you protect from ourselves? We have to stand safe. So that's why we are being locked down for 3 months in our house. We are staying in our house. We are maintaining social distancing. So social distancing is the only way to stop spreading of this virus. And another thing is that we have to wear the mask when we are going outside, because we cannot be at our house all the time. For buying some necessary things, we have to go outside. So when we are going outside, we have to wear the mask. At the same time, we have to wash our hands, sanitize our hands for 20 seconds with any alcohol-based sanitizers or with any soap also. because our palms are the things or the part of our body which we are touching to every place when you are buying something, when you are getting something. So we are using our palm. So if we make our palm sanitized all the time, so there are very few chances to spread out these virus. So we have to sanitize our hand all the time after gapping of 1 hour. And the last one is that, which I have already spoken, is maintaining a social distancing. Means we should not go to the close contact of any persons or any COVID-19 patients. If we go to close contact, then there is a huge possibility of spreading out the infections. So in this way, and another thing is that I would like to mention here about the vaccines of COVID-19. Uh, Many scientists all over the world, they are inventing and they are trying, researching all the time to invent the vaccines. But there is a ray of hope, because which is the vaccine was being researching by the researcher of the Oxford University. It is being trial, and they are trial it in the Brazil, and they are hoping that in the month of September, October, it will be coming to the market. And it will be coming to the market, then definitely we should take, and there is no possibility at that time that we will be staying in our house all the time. So there is a ray of hope that very soon the situations will be over, the situation will be normal, and we are getting back to our normal life. So thank you. This is about the COVID-19. So students, when you are making any topic, when you are speaking about your topic, so in this way, first you have to divide the topic in few points, and based on these points, you prepare few sentences. These are long videos. The video is going up to 7 minutes, but you should not make so much a long topic within 2 minutes. As I have spoken earlier, so whatever the topic you are preparing, you have to speak within 2 minutes. And based on these points, and already I previously provided the points, and what are the points I will provide, definitely I will give you the points. What are the topics I will provide, I will definitely give you the points based on this topic. Okay, so in the next video, I will discuss about the previous topic, the lesson I have learned. Thank you.